It is Michael, the Linux Preacher here. Today, I want to show you a really simple trick. Maybe you have an application that doesn't want to close for some reason. I know that doesn't happen all the time in Linux, but every now and then it gets to where the application doesn't want to respond, and you're looking to end that application, and it just will not. You've been hitting this X button over and over again. It won't respond to it. I'm going to show you a quick and simple trick here. You're going to need the terminal. You're going to type in xkill. It's going to be one word, xkill, and then you're going to click on the application you want to close, and boom, it's going to go away. That's a quick and simple trick. Look, if you need some more quick and simple tricks, let me know what you need in the comments below. Tell me some of the issues you've been having, some of the problems you've been having, and I would love to make a video on it to help you out. Always remember to like, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? And don't forget to share my videos with others, and keep it penguin. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.